red light, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Wow.
You have it? You can still get it, right? I bet you can get it. I bet if you put it on X. X is one of the few places where actually it's actually illegal. So maybe you can't
go.
have X.
Holy shit.
In my elder statesman era than I used to be, where I would hang on, be like, well, you get 3 drives, 3 touchdowns, and this is a game. I don't go to that place.
Tex Watson, Patricia Krenwinkel, and Susan Atkins all enter the house, and they just start killing everybody. All enter the house, and they just start killing everybody. Apparently, this is the only one with a gun,
Fuck
but
you!
all 3 of them had knives. Patricia Krenwinkel found Abigail Folger reading in bed and started to kill her. I believe Sharon Tate and Jay Sebring were in the living room together, and they were both killed there in the living room. Wojtek Wajkowski made it out of the house, but he was killed in the front lawn. Abigail Folger, I think, made it out the back, and she died on the back lawn. And one of the things... Look at that. Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah. 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 Yes. That's great. Dude, that was amazing. That's going on to Dirt Bike Lunatic.
Alright, today's video I'm on I-25 and here comes this fast moving vehicle from the right lane crossing over 2 lanes with no blinker. He was never behind me, he was zigzagging between the middle and the right lane, past like 6 cars that were in the middle lane on the far right, and then zoomed by me. So anyway, as we come up to this overpass, I guess there was a cop sitting on the overpass running radar, because he comes down this ramp and there he is right there, motor officer, and he is very quickly accelerating to catch up to this guy. And sure enough, he gets him over to the right, and there he is right there. So a little bit of instant justice, I guess. Alright, well, be careful out there.
That cop's about to pull over that Kia, because he just made a left turn from the straight lane.
Why does everybody do that though?
Oh man.
Bye.